Hey YouTube fam, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So again, I got a little bit of a special video planned for you guys. Me and the homie Tommy, he used to be on the channel. I don't know if you guys, a lot of you guys, if you're new, you won't remember him, but in the early days of the channel, back when I was around 400 or 500 subscribers, my friend Tommy come down to help me with the channel and stayed with me, and he was also helping me with the storage unit business. And when the COVID hit, it ruined everything, and I couldn't take care of him no more because the channel just, it wouldn't take off and had no money coming in. So he ended up having to get him a trailer, and he's working at Trader's Village over there now, and got him a little like an RV and stuff. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. But yeah, I was out hanging out with him. I posted a couple shorts. We went to the Graffiti Park there in Dallas. And we was doing some flying around. As you guys seen, I posted a few shorts, but I did a separate video while I was there as well, and I'm just now getting around to being able to edit it, and got some bad weather, so it's a couple of inside days here. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on here too much, but while we was over there, after I got done doing the shorts, I got my Stingy out, and I had my DJI goggles for the first time set up. You know, they was running my analog quads and everything like I showed you guys. So there was some people there hanging out, and one of them wanted to go for a ride. They was asking for a ride, and I had my box goggles, so I decided to take them for a ride. So this is the very first time I've ever taken somebody for a ride, and it's at the Graffiti Park in Dallas, and it was amazing. So I don't want to ramble on here too much. You guys check this video out of me giving somebody a ride. And it might be one of my best freestyles too. I was ripping it up and I didn't crash. It was an awesome flight. And we got some footage of the guy, us filming him while he was going for a ride. So it turned out pretty cool. I think it's going to be a great edit. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments about the video. Any suggestions on what you want to see me do are greatly appreciated. And I love you guys. Roll the footage. Happy New Year. You got video?
Yeah. Dang, it's a clean ass video, bro.
RSSI low. RSSI critical. RSSI critical.
So close to the brag.
RSSI low. RSSI critical. RSSI critical.
That's like the best view.
RSSI critical.
Oh.
All right, batteries on fumes.
Coming in for London.
Woo!
Amazing.
And I'm not really an expert yet. I've just gotten that good. There's a lot more stuff, you know, you can get a lot more intense with it.
That's insane. Like, oh, you're so close to this.
Yeah. Yeah. And then what I was trying to do there at the end was come up too close and front ollie flip front over the tree. Over the tree, exactly what I wanted. Yeah, yeah.